Hey Theodore, come help Paul. This is the old inner tube taken out of the tractor tire. I've got it prepped and cleaned and vacuumed. I'm going to put a new inner tube in it. What I found that this inner tube had a wire, looks like from a wire wheel, and that looks like the original puncture. And then without air in it, when the tire was driven, it tore the stem. So this tube's going to have to be replaced, cannot be patched. So got the new tube, got it cleaned, prepped. I went ahead, there were some burrs on the rim. I cleaned off the burrs and then painted it and let it dry overnight. And now I'm going to reinstall the new inner tube and the tire back on the wheel. Come help, Paul. I'm fixing it. Before I put the new inner tube in, I did cut an additional cushion, a little patch to go around it. I'm not going to glue it in place, but it'll help protect the stem. So I'll put it in the rim and use this tool to pull the valve stem through the hole in the rim. Okay, I've got the new inner tube in there installed and the tire back on the rim. Now it's time to air it up. A little bit more. Just slowly moving, no pop. Looks like the backside is on. Okay, looks like it's seated.